Hey guys, we thought some of you might be interested in seeing what sort of birds there are in Australia. So some of these birds are going to be unique to Australia, some aren't, like the seagulls, all over the world, aren't they? But we figure, same as with our Japan channel, it's not really up to us to decide what's unique to the country or what is in other countries or whatever. Not interested in any of that. All we want to do is just show you what's in this case in Australia. So our Australian videos are going to show you what's in Australia, our Japan videos show you what's in Japan. So that's our strategy. So these are seagulls, same as they are anywhere else, except these ones have Australian accents, of course. So enjoy the seagulls and just stand by, because when the seagulls finish we're going to show you cockatoos, so brace yourself, it's going to be a little bit loud. Okay, cockatoos are coming up very shortly. Here they come, here come the cockatoos. Look out for the loudness. Here it is. Aren't they outrageous? So that was cockatoos. Here's Kookaburra, famous for its laugh. When Kookaburras sing, it sounds like a person laughing. So they talk about Kookaburras laughing. Very loud sound. Unfortunately, it's difficult to capture. We didn't actually capture it, but we did capture this one stealing breakfast. This is actually pretty cool. He was trying to get the bread. The bread wasn't real interesting. It was a bit sort of hard and dry. It had been there a little while. Couldn't really get his beak around it. Kookaburra is a kingfisher, actually, interesting enough. Watch this, watch this. So he actually got bacon and bread, and it was a fresh one, so it was a lot softer. And he took it away, he dropped the bread along the way, and he took the bacon away. And what he's doing there is smacking it on the ground to kill it. So kookaburras usually, before they eat things, they smack them on the ground like that, because he's trying to kill it. Of course it's a piece of bacon, it's already dead, but he doesn't know that. Here we've got magpies. The one on the left's juvenile, the one on the right's an adult, probably its mother. Magpies are notorious for being pretty aggressive when they're nesting. They'll attack people riding past on bicycles or walking past or so on. Quite the character, magpies are. Again, that's a juvenile on the left, adult on the right. These ones are rainbow lorikeets. Aren't they amazingly coloured? Rainbow lorikeets. Again, pretty common. These are just in someone's backyard. So quite amazing. Rainbow lorikeet. Quite beautiful, aren't they? And not uncommon to have them in huge flocks. Huge numbers of them suddenly will fly in. Spectacular, aren't they? So there's those cockatoos that we saw at the beginning, and they've come in and taken over the food tray from the lorikeets. Real characters, cockatoos. People often have them as pets, and they can train them to talk, and they can actually be trained to do all sorts of things. They've been trained to ride little bicycles and all sorts of things. They're a really clever bird, the cockatoo. So lorikeets are sort of politely waiting till the cockatoos have finished, as you can see. Don't want to mess with them because they're a big bird. Big, smart, clever bird. Way too clever for the rainbow lorikeets. So guys, for the next minute and a half, we're just going to have bird sounds. So no need for narration. Please enjoy the sounds of the birds. Hope you enjoyed that. More videos coming soon.